It is quite early. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's bright and early in the morning, ready for that final inspection on the 2016 Yamaha R1M. All my paperwork in here, that means title, receipts, pictures, everything all ready for the inspector. And he's showing up right now. Oh yeah. And just like that, guys, the bike has been inspected and it passed inspection. Unfortunately, that was Mr. Schultz, State Patrol Officer Schultz' last job. He's retiring in 8 days, so it's gonna be sad to see him go, but it was awesome rebuilding all these bikes and having him come over to my house every time. So if he ever sees this, big shout out to you, Mr. Schultz. We're gonna miss you. And with the retirement of Officer Schultz, Officer DeVries, which was the other gentleman here today, is the one who will be taking his place. Very fortunate to be working with such quality gentlemen. All right, guys, next day at the shop, now that the bike has been inspected, it's road legal, it passed inspection, we've got insurance on it, I've got my suit, my sweatshirt on, it's 20 degrees, but the sun is out. Let's go for a ride. Rocking the fanny pack. All right, we need to take a break. That was so much fun. My hands are freezing. This bike is so beautiful. Let's get back out there though. That's it for the R1M. Any small details will be worked on off camera. We got a big trip planned with this bike. I can't wait to show you guys. And guess what? Next video is a new bike. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.